Can I go to the restroom? The day has come. The school Wi-Fi no longer works in the building. Principal wasn't joking.
So, what should we do?
I can't make it through the day without Wi-Fi. I was literally playing a game.
We have to do this now. We've been playing it for so long. We need to break into the principal's office and steal the Wi-Fi router. So here's the issue. We can't break into the principal's office because the administrator blocking the door.
I can distract them. I'm really good at making conversation.
Yeah, more like you're good at annoying people.
Even if we can distract the administrator, how are we going to break into the principal's office?
I can pick the lock. Easy.
It's a good plan. The band has rehearsal this evening, so we should go then. The principal won't be here either.
So, 6 p.m.?
That works for me. What's taking her so long?
I'm here.
Took you long enough.
I'm going. Thanks so much.
I'm trying, jeez.
Hey guys.
Give us a little warning before you sneak up on us.
Sorry, the teacher was telling me their entire life story. Well. What do we have here?
I knew that someone would be coming to fix the Wi-Fi, but I didn't expect you three to do it. Is this what you're looking for?
You can't just cut off all the internet in the school. We need it.
Do you now? You can last 8 hours without the internet. In fact, the internet is ruining our learning system. We should just go back to learning on chalkboards. And you can't do anything about it.
What are you smiling for?
Just wait.
Don't try to look stupid.
Sorry, Principal. I need the Wi-Fi too.
How dare you?
I guess it can be quite useful sometimes.
Finally! Now we better run and plug this in somewhere the principal can't find.
We can plug it into my room. The principal can't come and see it.
Thanks. But thanks for your parents here. We really wouldn't have been able to do this without your help.
Can we go home now? It's late. I'm tired.
Yeah, let's go.